So first and foremost, what are you selling? What jurisdiction are you planning on selling it into? And then what regulations apply to those products in those jurisdictions? Obviously, they're the key building blocks in every circumstance. And once you've got those, you then need to establish where in the supply chain you actually sit. So are you a manufacturer or a de facto manufacturer, which means you sell products somebody else makes but under your own brand? Are you an importer? Are you a distributor? Are you an authorised representative? You can fulfil multiple roles under the regulations, so you just need to understand where you fit in. Once you've worked that out, you can then work out what commercial agreements you need to put in place to affect your supply chain. Under some regulations, you can't place products on the market in a particular jurisdiction unless you're established within that jurisdiction or you have an authorised representative. So for some of our clients, they set up a subsidiary in the right jurisdiction. For other clients, they use a third party to fulfil that role. It's essentially just for consumer traceability for both the regulator and consumers in case there's any issues. There's a point of contact in the right jurisdiction, essentially. Yes, so one of our clients is a US-based client. They have been acquiring medical devices from various jurisdictions around the world, and they've been storing them in a distribution warehouse within Europe. The products are then sold, the contracts are agreed with the US parent company or client, and the products are then sold and shipped to various clients within the EU and also the UK. So obviously there are a number of overlapping requirements and they were a little bit befuddled about what they were supposed to be doing in which case, particularly because some of the customers that were buying were wholesalers and some were end users as well. So the way we overcame this was essentially creating a supply chain map. So what are we doing? Where are we selling things? How are we selling them? Who are we selling them to? And then overlaying that with the different requirements so that they could make sure they're compliant in all of the various different supply chain scenarios that could occur.